TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials right now trading up 57. You get the NASDAQ up 23. S&Ps are up 8. Gold contracts down $6 at $12.51.40. Silver's down 35 cents, $17.79 an ounce. You got platinum up $15, $9.38 an ounce. Copper is flat at $2.61 a pound. Light sweet crude up 40 cents, $52.74 a barrel. Notes: 10-year note up 1 tick, 124.27. 30-year bond up 3 ticks, 151.19. Now, both the 10 and the 30, folks, are ABC structures on the way up, confirmed ABC structures on the way up. They took out their B points Friday, took them out with volume, gave it up on price. They expect you're going to be right back topside. King dollar down 132 ticks, trading at 100.985. King dollar continues to try to get into its March 15th downdraft, got into it really well on Friday, had volume. If King dollar closes under the 101, 130 area, that'd be a failure on price and volume today. The euro is trading at 105 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 111 to the U.S. dollar. We get over and we take a look at the SPY. What you have happening in the SPY is this, folks. SPY is at 235.96 right now. You went sideways on Friday, had light volume. I expect you're going to see this baby. We hit the 236.03 today. We'll see whether it can get up to the 236.51. I don't expect we're going to have it. You're going to see another failure on price, failure on volume. This baby is building cause for lower price. Dow Industrial is the same type of setup. It's the March 21st downdraft, folks, that is giving all the indices big trouble. That downdraft in the Dow Industrials, that's when we went from 20,970 to 20,653. I don't expect we're going to make it over this 20,726. Right now, this morning, we made it to 20,717. NASDAQ Composite, same type of setup in the composite. The differences in the composite is that it did get up and over its high and failed last Tuesday. Bottom line, we'll see whether it's going into that area right now. You're up $22 at 5,900. That NDX 100, the 3 Qs right now are trading 132.36. The number to keep your eye on out here is the 132.81. That's the high that was generated on the 3rd, and then we gave that up on the 5th. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract, folks, confirmed ABC structure on the way up. You're talking a price point of $1,313. You took out the B point, took it out with volume, and gave it up on price. Friday, we went to $12.73. Closed out at $12.57. Vicious downdraft. Bottom line, though, you have a complex ABC structure on the way up. Now, silver is a different animal. Silver did get into its swing point with volume, but then it got destroyed. And you're getting some follow-through in the silver market today. We're at $17.82. What you'd like to see here is it close above $17.78. $17.78 was his last thrust forward on the 27th of March. Notes and bonds, they're both in an ABC structure on the way up. Deviant, big time. They took out the B point, took them out with volume. The 10-year is already rejected lower price out here today at 124.20. This little baby's on its way up to the 126 area. That's the 10-year. The 30-year, folks, did the exact same thing on Friday. Had price, had volume. Today got down to 151.03. Rejected it. You're at 151.22. This baby's making its way up to the 156 area. Big number. And good old King dollar, folks. What you have with King dollar, got to a price point today of 101.265. A close under 101.185 is going to be a failure. It's dug deep into this 15th, though. The 15th, the high was 101.590. It doesn't look like it's going to make it. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
If you're looking to unearth a new financial resource and diversify your financial portfolio, consider the new market-safe core commodity CD from Everbank. This 5-year U.S. dollar-denominated CD gives you exposure to 4 equally weighted commodities: gold, copper, WTI oil, and sugar, in one powerful CD. With no pricing caps, you can potentially earn an unlimited upside payment at maturity if the commodities increase in value across semi-annual pricing dates. And should the opposite occur, your principal is 100% protected. Keep in mind, returns are based on CD performance. There's no annual percentage yield or periodic rate of interest on this index CD. Don't miss out. With certain commodities on the rebound, now is the time to take advantage. The March 23rd funding deadline will be here before you know it. So call 1-855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN for the CD's term sheet and other important product details and disclosures. Once more, that's 1-855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. This advertisement is sponsored content. Everbank is a member FDIC.